Alright, here we are on John's T-Bird. Got the coolant draining. We're going to take the radiator out real quick. So I'm going to take this to Gary while I'm on my way to the racetrack in the morning. Well, a few bolts and 2 hose clamps later, it's out. But man, it wasn't messy inside. Look at this. Ew. Wasn't rusty when we ran it. But it's rusty inside. Let me turn the light on. Ooh, yucky. Yucky, yucky. Appears to be 4-row. I can't get my finger all the way in there, but with the width and everything, it looks 4-row to me. Maybe it's 3. Gary's gonna make it badass either way, so cares where it is now.